Here at Terradrift, we're all about exploring the outdoors, and sometimes that requires hopping on a plane. And sometimes, like when you're lugging around heavy but delicate camera equipment, more than your standard duffel or backpack is required. Sometimes you gotta pack that sort of gear more strategically, like in a bag with wheels. A bag that also protects your stuff. You know, lenses, drones, that ceramic Russian nesting doll you couldn't resist from the shop next to your hotel, the usual stuff. So today we're looking at two new roller bags, the Peak Design Pro Roller Carry-On and the Pelican Travel 22-inch ATX Roller Bag. Both feature incredibly durable designs, a lifetime warranty, and features that'll knock your socks off. Especially if getting that nesting doll home in one piece is a top priority, or your camera gear. You do you. And while both brands have huge followings in the video and photography industries, these two carry-ons seem to be built with two very different travelers in mind. So we're going to break down the features of each, where they excel and where they fall short, and who each bag is really for. Stick around until the end because the answer, especially if you're a photographer, may surprise you. But whether you're a sleek, design-obsessed Peak Design fan or a rugged, throw-it-off-a-cliff Pelican diehard, there's one thing we can all agree on, and that's our sponsor, Infinicore. We recently got our hands on the Infinicore P3 Pro, an all-in-one travel power solution that you can use in virtually any country in the world, thanks to the included adapters. And with up to 65 watts of fast charging, a large 10,500 milliamp hour battery, Qi 2 wireless charging, yep, it's even MagSafe compatible, and smart power distribution that adjusts to your gear. This thing does it all, while reducing the number of chargers you have to bring along to power all your devices. Just plug it straight into the wall, charge your laptop, phone, and earbuds all at once, then pop it into your bag to use as a portable backup battery and stay powered up while ditching some of the clutter. We'll definitely be packing the Infinicore P3 Pro for every trip to simplify our power setup and never worry about a dead phone, camera, or mic batteries again. But let's get back to these carry-ons and talk features. We'll let the Peak Design Pro carry-on kick things off. And let me tell you, when it comes to features, this bag has no shortage of surprises. For starters, it has extremely smooth casters and a super slim but sturdy carbon fiber telescoping handle that takes up less space on the inside of the bag when collapsed, offering more room for clothes and gear. It has a laptop sleeve that's accessible from the outside, tons of accessory pockets inside and out, compression bungees to keep clothing and gear in place, and attachment loops all around the interior and exterior for securing extra gear like camera cubes, tripods, you name it. Here's a truly innovative feature I love, is removable cords on the inside of the lid that hold it in an open position for easier packing and unpacking, which is just absolutely brilliant. Plus, it means even when the lid is open, the bag takes up less space than traditional carry-ons where the lid just flops to one side. There's an expandable zipper around the outside that allows you to pack more or compress the contents. The double zippers are all lockable, and there are sturdy handles on all four sides of the bag. The Pelican case ATX Roller Bag has fewer bells and whistles, but ones that will be important to a certain group of travelers. For starters, this whole case is waterproof, and the Peak Design bag is only water resistant, as in you could chuck the whole thing in a body of water and the contents would stay dry. The secure and sturdy latches have built-in combination locks, which make it extra secure when transporting valuable photography gear, gold bars, or those ceramic nesting dolls. I don't know. It opens clamshell style with two separate packable compartments on each side, both of which keep items secure, one with a zipper and the other with a compressible board with hook and loop straps that you can really cinch down. It works great with Pelican's packing cubes. It is a little cumbersome to thread the straps through, but it's a lot more compressive than, say, a bungee. There are several accessory pockets on the one side that are a nice place to stash small accessories, maybe like charging cables, a belt, etc. But the interior compartments do feel a bit restrictive. See how the fabric and plastic borders around each compartment extend inward? These mean that more space is taken up by hardware that takes away from the actual packing space, which honestly we're not huge fans of. That said, those rigid lips do accommodate Pelican's small camera cube, which pops under those lips and locks securely in place. That security doesn't feel well designed though, since the camera cube is taller than the compartments and means that you can't pack the other side totally full or the bag won't shut. It's worth noting that they do sell a 25-inch and a yet-to-be-released 30-inch checked luggage that theoretically would fit the camera cube without any issue. The collapsible soft close handles are extremely sturdy, but they're only on two sides of the bag, though there is a low-profile grabbable lip on the bottom that works okay. As for the combination lock, TSA-approved latches open via the push of a button, and they are really easy to operate. And if you're a longtime Pelican case user and you're used to those old-school latches, these things are like butter in comparison. I mean, push the button in and no force required. Now, price-wise, both of these bags are no joke. The Pelican ATX 22-inch is $500, and the Peak Design Pro Roller Bag is $600. So while these are very versatile pieces of equipment, they're not going to be for everyone just based on price. And whether or not the Peak Design has an extra $100 worth of innovation is going to be up to you. Now, as far as sustainability goes, Peak Design actually does quite a lot. But as far as Pelican goes, its sustainability is really just in its durability and longevity, and it's made in the USA. The company itself doesn't do a whole lot in the way of sustainability initiatives. But let's talk about purposeful design and integrated functionality, because both of these brands design gear for photo and video professionals who travel. So it warrants that any luggage these brands make should work seamlessly with their other photography products, say packing cubes and camera cubes and various dividers and other accessories. But frankly, and maybe not surprisingly to fans of the brand, Peak Design seems to do this way better with a rolling carry-on than Pelican does with theirs. And we're already big fans of Peak Design because of how well their products integrate with each other, their overall quality and versatility. With the Peak Design luggage, not only do their packing cubes work seamlessly with the bag, but so do their camera cubes. In fact, they even make an extra large cube that takes up the entire interior of the bag, so you can make use of nearly every square inch of the space if you're filling the bag with camera bodies, lenses, drones, etc. It's odd that Pelican's luggage doesn't seem to do this as well. As I pointed out earlier, the camera cube that we tested with the Pelican carry-on was a really snug fit and doesn't seem to be designed with this case in mind. Maybe we're missing the point of Pelican's ATX carry-on, but we expected tighter integration of their new and pre-existing travel accessories, inserts, and add-ons. But let's talk about size and capacity. The Peak Design Roller Bag is definitely the most spacious, even without the expandable zipper that offers several extra inches of packing space. That could come in handy if you're flying home with more stuff than you left with, or if you need to compress your bag to fit in a smaller overhead compartment. The Pelican ATX is smaller. The packing compartments also aren't as large. For example, because it opens like a typical hard-shell case with the hinge in the middle of the bag, there are two separate shallower packing compartments instead of a large one like on the Peak Design bag. This can come in handy, of course, if you want to fully separate gear and clothing, or dirty items from clean, or video equipment from photo equipment, etc. But overall, we prefer one large compartment because it offers more flexibility and packing options. But that's us. Everyone has their own packing style. Then there are the bells and whistles. The Peak Design Roller Bag has tons, as we've already mentioned. But a few in particular stood out as the most functional, starting with the lid that essentially holds itself upright to make packing and unpacking way easier, which also means the bag takes up less space. But we also truly appreciate all of the organizational pockets, including inside the main compartment and in the top accessory pocket. But mostly we were excited about the laptop pocket. The sleek, padded laptop compartment in the front is easily accessible and fits a 16-inch MacBook Pro with plenty of wiggle room. Personally, I love a travel bag with a laptop sleeve. I mean, check out our review of the Topo Designs Global Roller Bag that also has this feature. We'll link to that below. That feature is great if you prefer to travel without an extra laptop bag or backpack. The Pelican case has no such sleeve. You can, of course, get your own padded laptop sleeve and fit it inside the Pelican case, but that would be an additional accessory. So who is each bag best suited for? Well, frankly, the Peak Design Bag is for pretty much anybody. Yep, even if you're not a photographer. It's spacious, efficient, easy to use and pack, has premium parts and construction, and is just as suitable for vacation-type travel as it is for working photographers and media who are traveling with sensitive equipment. The Pelican case, on the other hand, is quite a bit more niche in its best use case scenarios. I gotta say, I wouldn't carry this bag for just any old weekend trip. On the other hand, it's sturdy enough to safely handle your photography equipment along with a couple changes of clothing, and yet it's not compatible with any of the photocentric accessories we've come to know and love from Pelican. In which case, if this is meant for clothing only, it makes it one of the most overbuilt suitcases we've ever had the pleasure of testing. Don't get me wrong, I love how robust and polished the design is. I'm just a little confused about who it's for. Perhaps this would be best as a companion piece to Pelican's air travel cases, which have become a staple for filmmakers and photographers who need the ultimate protection for their gear. That said, if you're one of those people who do require it, by which I mean someone who regularly travels with delicate equipment on planes, small boats, off-road vehicles, etc., where your bags are practically guaranteed to get knocked around, soaked, stomped, and abused far more than traditional luggage, well, this is your bag. It's guaranteed to keep everything safe and dry. It's just not as spacious or intuitively packable as the Peak Design Bag. So for general travel and most photographers, I'd recommend the Peak Design Bag. For you extreme off-the-beaten-path professionals, the Pelican case will definitely bring all the peace of mind you need. If you enjoyed that video, we got plenty more where that came from. Check out these cool videos on other roller bags that we've reviewed in the past, and be sure to visit Terradrift.com and subscribe to the newsletter so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, guys, and roller on. I mean, wander on, because it's the roller bag. Get it? Okay, I'm done.